So you're about to see chaos totally redefined here in a minute, as everybody runs around and starts to grab the
Up
food.
above.
The Ocean Voyager is pretty amazing.
Oh
We
yeah, you
put
see it up
between
there?
250 and 300 pounds of seafood a day in here to feed the animals. And it is restaurant grade seafood. Basically, they eat what we eat. Probably in the case of my house, better, to tell you the truth. And it's a mixture of shrimp, crab, there's some herring, there's capelin in there, there's a little bit of squid. There's a number of things in the broadcast feed that we blow up in the bottom. So one of the things people ask us is, why don't the animals eat each other? Anybody want to guess why they don't? Yeah, they're not hungry. That's basically it. Yeah, if they're really well fed, they tend to leave each other alone. Now, does that work 100% of the time? No. Occasionally, we do get some unauthorized snacking in here. Yeah, it does happen. Somebody goes off their diet. You know how that goes. So. But here at the aquarium, we go through 500,000 pounds of seafood a year. And we get it from sustainable sources all over the world. It is frozen and thawed. And the reason we do it that way, we don't feed live food, is for two reasons. One is that the freezing part ensures that we don't infiltrate any parasites into a habitat, which could be a risk if we had live food. And secondly, by the animals not having to sort out what's okay to eat versus a neighbor, it only lowers the predation quite a bit as well. So that's a little bit about the food story here. Now, the third way that we feed animals is a pretty strange one. And if you want to come back in around 10:30, you can see this. And that's how we feed the whale sharks. Now, whale sharks are a
10:30?
filtered feeder.
Want to come back for
And
that?
that means they have to swim into
Yeah,
their
that's pretty
food.
cool.
The food goes in the mouth
That's a
through
lot
a
of
series
plankton.
of things called gill rakers, and that captures the food, and then it goes down the esophagus from there.
You know, plants.
And the way we have to do this is above the habitat is roped off into 4 lanes. And each whale shark has been trained to get in a specific lane. Our animal care specialists then get out in front of each whale shark in a rubber raft, and they pull themselves along and they tip the food down in front of the whale shark. So if you actually want to see that happen, if you want to come back in around 10:30, it's kind of a really cool thing to do. And if you miss that, we'll be doing it again around 3 o'clock as well. So we do have a couple of minutes here as we're wrapping up this feed. Does anybody have any questions? Going. No. I have a question over here. The question is, how many whale sharks live in here? Well, we have 4. We have 2 males and 2 females. The largest one is about give or take, about 26 feet long. The largest one is about, or the smallest is 20, and
Sandbar
all
sharks
4 are
don't
still
have very big
growing.